afternoon. And a big shout out to the blue team this afternoon. So this is how it will work. I don't decide the winners, you do, alright? Very simple. I will call out your team's name. When I call out your team's name, you need to make as much noise as you possibly can for your team, alright? We will start off with the green team. If you want the green team to win, make some noise! Not bad, not bad. I feel like to get schooled. If you think the blue team won, make some fucking noise! Scully! Give us a song! Scully, give us a song! Scully! Give us a song! Scully, give us a song! No, he hasn't got anything. Give us a song. Wow. Well done, Scully. Your moment of fame and you fucked it. So then that was pretty close, that was good, that was a great contribution from the green team, a better contribution from the blue team. However, what we're going to do is we're going to use a sophisticated piece of equipment. So when I count down from 5, I want every single person on the boat, every single person, including the 6 people upstairs that are asleep, just saying. I want you all to chant your team name as loud as you can and make as much noise for your team as you can. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! So then, the result is in. The result is in, and the winners today of the RUM RAYBANS Blues Cruise on this Wednesday, the actual fucking sixth of August, fucking hell is it already? The winners today and the pride of the boat goes to the